In this video, we delve into the extraordinary advantages of integrating daily planking into your fitness regimen. Exercises like planks, which rely on body weight, are essential for boosting strength, stability, and overall fitness without the need for any equipment. Their straightforward nature makes them an excellent option for those with busy schedules, as they offer effective workouts that can be performed anywhere, anytime. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to planking, you can enhance your core strength, improve your posture, and increase your endurance, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. When done correctly, planking is a highly effective method for preventing injuries to the back and spine. To plank safely, ensure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, and avoid letting your hips sag. Strengthening your back muscles through planking can greatly reduce back pain by providing better support for your spine. Additionally, maintaining proper posture throughout daily activities is key. It helps evenly distribute weight and lessens the strain on your back, ultimately promoting a healthier, pain-free lifestyle. Planking targets major core muscles effectively, such as the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, which leads to better abdominal definition. By engaging these muscles, planking not only improves core stability but also contributes to greater strength in other exercises, like squats and deadlifts, enhancing overall performance. For women, including planks in their fitness routines can help achieve specific goals, like toning the midsection and improving posture, while also laying a stronger foundation for various physical activities, which ultimately boosts overall fitness and confidence. As a compound exercise, planking is powerful in boosting your metabolic rate, as it engages multiple muscle groups at once, promoting calorie burning. The link between muscle mass and metabolism is significant. As you build muscle through planking, your body needs more energy to maintain that muscle, leading to increased calorie expenditure even while at rest. Additionally, planks are more efficient than traditional abdominal exercises, as they not only target the core but also strengthen the shoulders, back, and legs, maximizing your workout benefits in a shorter time. Planking plays a crucial role in enhancing balance and stability by strengthening the abdominal muscles, which are vital for maintaining proper posture and coordination. Strong core muscles provide a stable foundation, improving overall body control during various movements. Better balance can significantly influence sports performance. Athletes in activities like soccer or gymnastics gain from improved stability, allowing for more precise movements and a reduced risk of injury. We encourage viewers to incorporate planking into their routines to enhance stability, leading to improved performance in both sports and daily activities. Additionally, planking offers significant mental health benefits by reducing stress and tension within the body. Engaging in physical activities like planking triggers the release of endorphins, natural mood lifters that can greatly improve emotional well-being. The connection between exercise and mood enhancement is crucial, as regular physical activity can ease symptoms of anxiety and depression. By including planking in your routine, you not only build physical strength but also foster a healthier mindset, promoting relaxation and resilience against everyday stressors, ultimately contributing to better mental health. In conclusion, this video emphasized the wide-ranging benefits of planking for both physical and mental well-being, including stronger core muscles, improved balance, and reduced stress. We encourage viewers to begin a daily planking practice to experience these benefits firsthand and elevate their overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on enhancing your health and wellness journey.